Let's learn how to sync sheets in Excel. Useful when you want to update data to reflect across multiple sheets automatically. First, open your Excel workbook with multiple sheets. To sync data from one sheet to another, go to the destination sheet, click on the cell where you want to sync data, and type the following. That links cell A1 in sheet 1 to this new location. Hit enter, and now it's synced. To sync entire columns or ranges, select the first cell, then drag the fill handle or copy the formula across the range. If you update the original sheet, the synced sheet will automatically update too. No manual input needed. Pro tip: use Excel tables and named ranges for cleaner references. Bonus: use the paste link feature. Just copy a range, go to another sheet, right-click, choose Paste Special, then Paste Link. It instantly links the data. And that's it. You've just synced sheets in Excel. Fast and easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.